Debit cards have terrible flaws that should stop you from using them. Learn why right now with Kwik-E Finance. You may like debit cards for their convenience, no coins to handle, and never forgetting to bring enough bills. And you may prefer debit cards because they allow you to spend only the money you have, making it harder for you to rack up debt. But here are some good reasons why you should always use credit or cash instead of debit. First is fraud protection. Under federal law, a debit card isn't as well protected as a credit card. Suppose someone stole your debit card. If you report it within 2 business days, you're responsible for only up to $50 of unauthorized purchases. That's okay, but if you report it after 2 days, you could be on the hook for up to $500. And you still have to report the fraud either way within 60 days of your statement. If you miss that 60-day window, you could be liable for the entire amount. Not so safe, right? Now, compare that with a credit card's protection. Legally, you are not responsible for unauthorized charges if your credit card number is stolen. And if your physical card is stolen, your liability maxes out at $50. If a debit card is a shield, a credit card is more like a castle. Plus, if one of your purchasing transactions goes wrong, say you didn't receive the item you bought, you have better recourse with a credit card. You can more easily dispute a faulty charge with your credit card issuer. The window is usually 60 days, and if you succeed with your claim, the card company will reverse the charge. Moreover, not only do credit cards offer better protection, they also offer better transaction benefits. For example, many credit cards will extend the manufacturer's warranty on products purchased with the card. Debit cards? Not a chance. See my video about extended warranties in the link below to find out more. Now, how about keeping your spending below the amount you have? There are at least 2 ways you can ensure this. First, use a credit card and track it regularly. One easy way to do this is to use a budgeting app like Mint, which keeps your spending in check with intuitive graphics and automatic categorization of your purchases. But what if you still want to avoid credit cards? Then there's always good old cash. If you really want to avoid plastic, there is a bit of a psychological factor with seeing and touching cash. When you spend a $5 bill, for example, that $5 is now gone from your wallet. This sensory feedback may help keep your spending in check. But even after all this, what if you still want to use your debit card for one reason or another? Well, here's a solution. Open a second bank account that holds only the funds you set aside for debit card use. Then, simply use the card for that account. Now, your primary account won't be vulnerable to excessive unauthorized spending. Still, for all the reasons mentioned earlier, debit cards are just not a great financial instrument. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.